scared of Mom now.
That's great. Thank you so much. Yes, I appreciate that. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. That's yours. That's the kitties. We don't eat the kitties' food. We gotta know who's our food. That's not your food. That's the kitties' food.
Yeah, we might have one more lot. If we're okay, we're going to manufacture 400. So that would be the last step. Just to fill
it. Did you see those feet walking by? Isn't that cool? She's such a precious dog. Aspen! Aspen!
And they're making 270 extra then to go to New Zealand. New Zealand's plus 270.
Let's go and go pee. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Outside. Let's go pee. She gotta go pee. I'm gonna let her. She's walking on like she has to go pee. It's kind of dark, so I'm gonna put this over the frame. I wish she could do the same thing Samson could do. She can't. Aspen! Aspen!
Just let her look around and see the whole perimeter. She's like a cat. She's got to see the whole surrounding.
Hold on, I'm sorry. She's just walking. She's smaller. See how small her waist is? You can actually see how small her waist is? In the rocks! She's pooping! Oh, that's Juicy! Isn't that nasty? She has such a tiny waist. She's just the perfect dog, but she's okay. I love her much. So much. Just too much. Low much. Not much. Okay. I'm gonna turn you off now.